Hi Kirti,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
So you're from which school and which grade?
Auden Public School, and
Mhm.
I'm from grade 10.
Okay, so tell me about Olipso. What makes you more exciting learning in Olipso? How it is different from other videos?
Olipso is that educational platform which literally attracts kids
Mhm.
and it involves us. Like, it's not like someone just goes on explaining stuff,
Mhm.
it also makes us interact with the mentors. So, it's an interactive platform.
Okay, you love the way how facilitators are making you to interact with the systems, right?
Yes.
So also tell me, how do you enjoy learning skills through digital platform, and how are you using that in your real life?
The most useful thing in my real life is decision making,
Mm-hmm.
because initially I was that person which who was, like, just following others ideas blindly. I actually did not think on my own,
Mm-hmm.
but now, after I went through the ILM of decision making, I am able to make my own decisions. And even there are questions asked in between which relate to our daily life situations. So they are helping me a lot in my real life.
So the examples given are more relevant to the daily life scenarios, is what you would
Yes.
like to say, right? Yeah. Kirti, tell me some of the skills that which you want to explore in future as well.
I want to explore coding as it is a new topic to me. I've never done coding till now.
Mhm.
So I want to explore coding.
Why coding? Why do you think you want to explore coding?
Nowadays, people are talking a lot about coding, that you can create games and puzzles using coding. So,
Mhm.
even I want to create games and puzzles using coding.
Okay, you want to see what are your strengths in coding, right? You want to
Yes.
explore that option as well. Great. So, where did you get this idea from that you want to learn coding? And as you told, nowadays it's an era of coding, right? Wherever you see digital platform, gamified versions of games, learnings, and even in learnings, you have a gamified version of learnings, right?
Yes.
So, tell me that where you got this inference that you want to learn coding.
Well, most of my friends know coding in Scratch. So,
Mhm.
Scratch is a platform where they create games like,
Yeah.
racing games are also
Mhm.
created. So,
Mhm.
even I want to create some unique games like theirs.
So you want to build some games by learning
Yes.
coding, right? Also, what are your aspiration? What's your ambition?
Well, I want to become a teacher, and that's
Uh-huh.
my sole aspiration because I want to enlighten students.
Okay, what do you think? What are the skills, necessary skills to reach there?
Well, apparently, I think life skills are very important in that,
Mhm.
especially decision making,
Mhm.
because students, they give us choices many times. Ma'am, shall I do that or this?
Mhm.
So I can choose one among their choices. So,
Okay, so which are some of those skills that will help you to make you reach your goal?
well, I think it's communication skills because they're very important. I need to communicate properly with the students so that they might understand what I'm talking about and they'll also interact with me.
Okay, so do you have siblings?
No, I'm an only child.
What does your parents do?
My father is a veterinarian
Mhm.
and my mother is a housewife.
Okay. So, are you more inclined towards science because your father is a doctor?
Well, yes, but I'm not too much inclined towards biology. I
Huh.
like chemistry.
Okay. So, in future, what you would want to do apart from the regular academics, like as you told, math, science, apart from these academics, where you want to see yourself?
Well, I want to become a teacher
Mhm.
and I also want to become an author.
Author. You like to write books or write poems?
Yes, I like to write
Have you
poems.
written any?
Yes, but only few.
Can
So,
you say some of them if you would like to share with us?
well, I have written too many in Kannada.
No,
So,
no worries. You can share with us.
well, I had written one, short poems called
Mhm.
Chutuku Kavanas.
Mhm.
I like writing them.
Mhm.
I would like to tell one.
Please.
ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿ,
Mhm.
ಅವನು ಮಾಡುವುದು ರಾಜಕಾರಣ,
Mhm.
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಕೊಡುವನು ನಾನಾ ಕಾರಣ, ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಜನರ ಬಳಿ ಕೇಳುವನು ಮತ,
Mhm.
ಆದರೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ತನ್ನ ಹಿತ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಬಳಿಕ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮರೆತ.
Very nice, very
Thank
nice.
you.
So continue doing this more and more. And I wish all the best for your future.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.